Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a format like this and tweak it to better fit your needs. So we're going to start with A4 document, and I'm going to start up here and I'm going to search worksheet, and I kind of like this layout. So I'm just going to put this layout in here. And then I am going to change this writing up. And I'm going to say YouTube video layout, because I want to use this when I'm planning my video series for different channels on my YouTube channel. And my brand colors are not this pale pink, they are red and black. So I am going to change these colors to red and black. Now I have not figured out an easier way to do these as you can see, all at once. It seems like I have to select these one at a time. And then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to make each one of them a full 100%, because I don't like the pale part. I'm like more vivid. So I'm not going to change all of these. You can see how I did that. I'll just grab this one more. We're going to go up here. We've done this before, transparency. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I am going to leave this as the name, and leave that, I want a little space there, is the date. This I am going to call, what is it called in YouTube? Playlist. So I call this playlist. And for now, I am just going to leave that blank because I don't know what I want to put in there yet. Okay, and so here I am using the T, which is my shortcut for paragraph, and I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to say this is the main points of my video, so I can put those in there. Okay, and I'm going to do the T again for shortcut for text, and this is the steps to get to their main point. And we'll do a paragraph again there, and this is going to be notes, and then this one I'm just going to leave blank right now. I can't think of exactly what I want to put there. Okay, so I want to print this on an 8.5 by 11, so I'm going to go up here to resize, and I am going to look for something that's 8.5 by 11. And then I'm going to tell this to, I don't want a copy of it under this size. I'm just going to resize it. Okay, so as you can see, by resizing it, some of the things have, you know, kind of need a little bit of adjustment there. And which is kind of neat because it actually gives you a little bit more space. And I want to make these a little larger, you know, so that they kind of fit in there. I don't really think I need that. Whoops. I just group those so that I can move them around where I want. Okay, so see how I've taken this book report or whatever it was to start with, and I'm changing it around to fit what I want, and then I'll tweak this a little bit more after I'm finished with this video, but I just wanted to show you the steps of how you could do that. And then I'm going to download this, and I'm going to download it as a PDF, because I'm going to use it either as a lead magnet or a tool for my team, so that when I'm working on Partner with Anthony and building my team, I have things to give them like this that will be helpful for them. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please leave me comments, questions, anything like that, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.